matanong. Mine is Bayonetta glasses and ribbons. That's a must for me. Thank you.
Mine would be shades.
Shades and lip and cheek tint.
Akin, skin tint kasi may SPF.
Ako po, mini skirts.
Thank you guys so much.
One, two, three. One more. One, two,
Okay. Alright, thank you